Zoom is a great software for online classes, client meetings, or even a group sharing projects. So, how to schedule a meeting, a Zoom recurring meeting? Simply, you need to click on this home tab, and after this, you can see on the right side there is a schedule a meeting. And if you don't find this for some reason, you can click on meeting, and you can see here it's a schedule a meeting. So simply click on this. After you click this, you can see here is a meeting with my names. So you can name it anything, like for example, online maths class or anything, whatever you want to write. And then obviously you need that on which particular date it should be. For example, I want to do this meeting on 10th. So I just click 10 here, and the timing is, let's say, it's 4:30 to 5:15. Okay. Or you can keep 5. It doesn't make any difference because there is a total of 40 minutes you can use. And if you want to extend your time, and if you want to take extended class, or you want to extend the meeting time, in the description link and in the end, you can find a link to the video in which I have shown you how to get extended time without buying a premium, without spending dollars, and you can learn that also. So 4:30 to 5, this is the timing, and obviously this is showing your zone wherever you live. And then there is another option which is important to learn, repeat. So how many times you want to repeat? Either daily, if you have class on daily, on weekly, every Thursday, or every month, or if you want to create custom. Now in custom, you can choose here that it's a weekly, monthly, early. So if I choose weekly, then you can see here, I can simply select, like for example, my class should be on Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. And then when this thing will end, after 7 occurrence. These occurrence means that how long you want to. For example, you have total of 7 classes, so you will write 7 here. And for example, I have 9 classes, so I will just write 9 here. So this is how to schedule it. And if you want to do it for once only, just click on never. In the same way, you can customize it. So right now I want only 1 class, so I'm clicking it on never. Now here, if you want a particular attendees, there are 2 ways to invite others. Either send a link, or either write their email address, and obviously they will get the notification. So I just don't want to email them. I will just simply WhatsApp them the link, or you can email them. Okay. So then we have few more options here. So I'll just click on more options. Make sure you stick around because these are very important options you need to learn. Okay. Now there are 2 ways to invite someone for Zoom meeting. There is a automatically generated personal meeting code and IDs, or the personal meeting ID. So if you share the personal meeting ID, obviously, if someone has your personal ID, whenever you start a personal meeting with personal ID, that person can join it. So if you are doing it for other people's, like different classes or different sort of badges people, then you select this. Otherwise, if you have a trusted particular person, so you can use personal also. So right now I'm doing it generate automatically, and you see there is a password. You can even change it. So I change it to ABC123, and then there's an option of waiting room. You need to understand this is very important. If you check this, what will happen whenever someone joins your meeting, that will come in the waiting room first. So what happens sometimes when you share the link, if you are a teacher and there are certain students, and these students share the link with other people, and sometimes you see they create a mess in your class. So what you can do, you can check this. They will, whenever they join your link, they will be in a waiting room, and once you know their names, then you can join them one by one. So I think this is a very good option. And then the host video, like if you want to keep your video on or off, you can toggle this also. So right now I just keep it off. And participant video, if you want them to keep their video open, then you will keep it off. On, otherwise you can put it off. And then you can click on advanced. So you have few more important options. allow participant to join anytime. This is a check, so they can join anytime. So I don't want them to join anytime because there's a particular time and they should join at that time. And if they are late, obviously then it will be my decision either to get in my class or not, or in my meeting. So this should be unchecked. And mute participant upon entry. Now, if you have such a meeting in which you don't want your participant to speak up, so this is very good option that you need to mute them so that they cannot speak anything or they cannot say anything. You have to give them permission to open the mic. And if you want to record the meeting, this is another important option, then automatically record meeting. So your meeting will be recorded in your laptop or computer. And once the meeting is done, then it will be automatically stored in your computer and you will be prompted where you want to save, and wherever you want to save, you can save it. And then this another option, this is not that important, but if you want to block user from any, if you are teaching online to different countries, or if you think you want to block other countries, so this is not that important, but these two options are very important. And once you're done with all these things, then you will click on the link save. And you can see one more option. I will also discuss this also. So what is enable continuous meeting chat means that the participant can chat anytime and they can say anything they want. They can type the text. So if you disable it, they will not be able to do a private chat with each other. So if you want to disable it, it's upon you. I will keep it enabled right now, and then I will click on save. It is asking me to sign in again, so I'll simply sign in again. So now you can see that my meeting is saved here. And if I click here, you can see here there's an option of copy invitation. So I can simply send this invitation through my WhatsApp or email address, and then the participant can join on this particular time. And you need to keep again one thing in mind, that there's a restriction in Zoom of 40 minutes. But if you want to extend that for free, then there's a link of the video, and you can see on in the end also that there is a video. You can just click that and you can watch and learn how to extend the time. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, give it a like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share with your friends and colleagues as I upload informative videos every week. Take care. Bye.